Welcome to a virtual open house for 1310 North Nueva Drive in the beautiful enclave of Litchfield Park. I'm your host, Tom Mason with Coldwell Banker Realty. In response to the coronavirus, we are exploring new ways to open up homes for you to view. During this video, feel free to pause at any time. If you have questions or would like to see this vacant property, contact information is provided in the video description below. So this is the frontage of 1310 North Nueva Drive. The xeriscaped front is complemented with bougainvillea, some boulders to give some depth to the property, and a mature olive tree, making it low maintenance. Let's take a look inside. As we enter, to the right is a sitting room that we'll take a look at just a little bit later. Straight ahead, we find the family room with a large wood-burning fireplace. Tile floor was installed in 2015 and provides soft and warm natural tones throughout the property. Entering the family room, the focal point is the rustic, raised brick fireplace with its solid wood mantel and wide front hearth. A perfect place to display family pictures, keepsakes, or decorate to your tastes. The opposite corner are solid bookcases, allowing you to easily curl up in front of the fireplace for some relaxing winter reading. As I mentioned when we entered the home, to the right was a sitting room. The large windows allow for natural light and look toward the center of Litchfield Park. The outside walkway is covered, ensuring the arrows of the sun does not shine directly into the room during the hot afternoons. Here's a version with it furnished. Back in the family room and approaching from the fireplace, we see the kitchen, a formal dining area, and the bookcases mentioned previously. Let's step into the dining room and see how it looks, as well as linking the front sitting room with the family room. The dining area can be a cozy place to enjoy dinner, as its raised sculpted ceiling provides reflected light from the four cardinal directions. But this dining area has plenty of room to accommodate larger family tables as well, suitable for holidays and entertaining. In addition, the adjacent sitting room is convenient for setting up serving lines or as an additional seating area for large parties. At a time when modern kitchens tend more toward the stark white, black, and gray tones, the glow of natural wood kitchen cabinetry in this property matches the warmth of the tile floor. At the same time, there's a touch of modern in the glass cooking surface and countertops. The countertop area furnishes ample space for food preparation. Whether you like this more traditional look or want to modernize, this property is priced to allow you to impart your own personal touches. As we fly through the kitchen, we enter the utilitarian portion of the home. Straight ahead is an option for an office space, and to the left, the laundry. Hidden away with easy access, the laundry houses shelving for laundry supplies as well as a closet pole. Use the closet pole to hang delicate clothing while the dryer heats up the space. Behind us, we find large oak cabinets and the door to the two-car garage. These large cabinets contain shelving for additional storage for pantry items, linens, off-season clothing, or any supplies you might need for your home. Entering the office space, we'll first peer out of the window to see the extent of your new property. The boundary extends to the end of the high wall to your left. The large boulders in the distance are just outside of the new property line. This office space can also be converted to an additional bedroom, as it houses its own half bath. In the corner is a perfect place for clothes drawers, a wardrobe, an armoire, or other furnishings that may make this more livable as a fourth bedroom. Heading back through the family room, we'll cross over to the living quarters side of the property. The first room we'll visit is to the left. You'll notice on this side of the house, each of the bedrooms in this home have their own walk-in closet. Each guest bedroom is also equipped with ceiling fans and large windows that let in natural light. The walk-in closet for this room comes with a shelf for shoes or folding clothes, as well as several racks for hanging clothes. Across the hall from this bedroom is the guest bathroom. It is a full bath. The large mirror houses medicine cabinets on either side. Spacious and easily accommodating others living in the home. Continuing down the main hallway, we'll find a large linen closet. This is suitable for storage of bedclothes, off-season clothing, with still plenty of room for bath towels or other things you may want to store here, supplies that you need throughout the house. To the left of the linen closet is the other guest bedroom. Built in the same way as the previous guest bedroom, there's a large window and a walk-in closet. Time to check out the master suite. Large enough for any size bed. With a raised window looking out over the backyard living space, you'll have room to make this your own in any style that you wish. The master bath is to the right, and to the left is the walk-in closet for this bedroom. As you can see, this property provides storage space for any need. This larger walk-in closet we tend to call the hers closet. We'll see the his closet in just a minute. And that will be through the master bath. The master bath has dual sinks for convenience during the early morning rush or preparation for retiring at night. The small closet is available for bathrobes, night clothes, or to prepare your work attire for the next day, whatever you might need it to be. We call this the his walk-in closet. The master bath has, yes you guessed it, more storage for towels, as well as a rarely seen feature, a sunken Roman bath. Step in, sit down, run a bath, or shower. There's also safety bars installed already to make this a safe transition from the floor into the bath area. Now we're going to look at the exterior features of 1310 North Villanueva Drive. First, the two-car garage. The two-car garage is only part of the parking available on this property. There are also 3 spaces on the slab and 3 spaces under the carport, and even an RV hookup on the north side of the carport itself. Here's the exterior parking. The RV electrical hookup is on the pillar, the far pillar that you can see under the carport. As shown before, the property extends to the end of the wall, and if one wanted, they could install a circular driveway. There's plenty of land to do so. Finally, when considering this property, we should look at valuation. Our property is starred and listed at $399,900. You'll see a blue pentagon on a newly listed home at $637,700 just next door. Across the street are $800,000 properties. So you can see that in this part of Litchfield Park, there's a lot of value in owning property here. Another good thing about this area is there are no HOAs for this part of Litchfield Park. Our property is $399,900, 3-bed, 2.5 bath. Bedrooms plus is 4, meaning that the office space could be converted to a 4th bedroom. Square feet at $22.56, and that leaves us with a price per square foot at $177.26, well under the $200 square foot price you may expect to pay here in Litchfield Park. Contact information is on the screen. Please give me a call or an email if you're interested in viewing this property or if you have any other questions.